Good morning, my name's Father Brian Frayne. I'm the director of the Catholic Studies program here at Rockhurst University. One of the features here at Rockhurst is our Labyrinth, which is between the Science Building and Van Ackeran Hall. The Labyrinth is a journey. We take that journey into a center point. Unlike a maze or a trap, the Labyrinth isn't designed to confuse us, but to help us just to walk slowly. And we take a walk in to the Labyrinth through a threefold process, much like the process of the spiritual life in Christianity, through purgation, illumination, and union. As we walk into the Labyrinth, we walk in purging ourselves of all the distractions of the world, all of the anger or hurt or upset that we feel. As we go into the Labyrinth, we come into a center point where we ask for the illumination and the light of the Holy Spirit to be with us. And as we leave the Labyrinth, we ask that God be united with us as a new person with a new vision. I hope that you'll have time to take the walk on the Labyrinth.